folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is on Instagram Stories. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use two brand new features that were recently updated on Instagram Stories. The first is the new Focus Shooting Mode, and the second is the @mention sticker. I am on an iPhone 10 using version 40.0 of Instagram. The new Focus Shooting Mode is available on iPhone 6s and later. It is only available on select Android devices. The new @mention sticker is only available on iOS devices. It is not currently available on Android devices. Focus Mode is Instagram's answer to Apple's Portrait Mode, which came out in the iPhone 7 Plus. What it does is it uses face detection to look for all the faces in the photo. It's going to focus on the face and blur out everything in the background, giving a nice shallow depth of field. To find Focus Mode, just look right below the shutter button along with all the other shooting modes. You can just scroll through here. Right next to Boomerang, you'll see Focus. And just like that, I am in focus, my face is in focus, but there is a nice blur in the background, a nice shallow depth of field. If you look at the books behind me here, you can get a really good idea. I'm going to go back to normal mode so you can see. Usually everything is in focus. You can read the books back there, but as soon as I get into Focus Mode, it puts a nice little soft vignette around me with blurring out the background. This is a really nice look. If there's multiple people in the frame, it's going to look for all of the faces. All the faces will be in focus and will blur out the background. If it can't find a face, it's going to give you a warning telling you to find a face. And if you're too far away, it's also going to tell you to move the face closer. Focus Mode, you can take a photo or you can use it in a video. And just like any other shooting mode, tap once for a photo, press and hold to take it up to a 15-second video. And the second update is the @mention sticker. This is available on iOS devices only, so it's not available on Android, but there is a workaround. Instead of using the @mention sticker on Android devices, you can simply use the type tool, tap the symbol, and it will do the exact same thing. If you do have the @mention sticker, simply take a photo or video, go into your sticker drawer where you have all your other emojis and the stickers, grab the @mention, start typing in an account. It'll show up on the bottom above the keyboard, and just grab the account. You can do multiple stickers. You can drag them into the trash can if you change your mind. If you don't have the @mention sticker, no big deal. Simply go to the type tool, start typing the symbol, and type in the address. It will do the exact same thing. You will tag in another account through your Instagram stories. That is the new Focus Shooting Mode and the @mention sticker in Instagram stories. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.